Assalamu alaikum dear students. M.Phill Zoology admission test series number 8 डिस्कस करते हैं. The hormones of pituitary gland are controlled through negative feedback system. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड्स के हार्मोन नेगेटिव फीडबैक सिस्टम के थ्रू कंट्रोल किए जाते हैं. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ हार्मोन्स may show huge sexual responses be cracked in experiences partners. Dash maintain the sexual responses in castrated male rats. डी ऑप्शन इज राइट, नन ऑफ दैम. तो यहाँ पर याद रखिए कि कैस्ट्रेटेड मेल रैट्स के अंदर सेक्सुअल रेस्पॉन्सेस एस्ट्राडाइओल यूजली मेंटेन करती है, जो ऑप्शन यहाँ पर एब्सेंट है. नेक्स्ट, ड्यूरिंग नॉन मेटिंग डेज डैश कैन इलिसिट द फीमेल टू इनिशिएट एस्ट्रल साइकिल, दैट इज एस्ट्राडाइओल बेंजोएट. बी इज राइट. The pattern of fluctuation in orgasm of human female is related with level of dash during menstrual phase. Right option is estrogen. Next, menstrual cycle can be completed through feedback of D. Right option is none of these. Next, dash may cause reduction in the levels of norepinephrine in hypothalamus. Estrogen is right one. Steroids bind primarily to steroid बुनियादी तौर पर किसके साथ bind होते हैं? D option is right, the cell nucleus. Next, the area of brain that monitors hunger and thirst is located in hypothalamus. Reflex action is controlled by spinal cord. Reflex action को spinal cord control करता है. Which part of brain is involved in spatial memory and navigation? Special memory और navigation में कौन सा brain part involve होता है? Usually hypothalamus is involved. The nerves leading to the central nervous system are called afferent. Afferent वो nerves हैं जो central nervous system से lead to करते हैं. The part of nerve cell that conveys information towards the cell body is called dendrite. C option is right. Large number of ribosomes are present in cells that specialized in producing which of the following molecules, which are proteins? Right option is C. Which type of organelle is primarily involved in the synthesis of oils, phospholipids and steroids? Option C is right, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, which structure is the site of the synthesis of proteins that may be exported from the cell? A. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is right. Which cellular organelle must be involved in Tay-Sachs that results in cells accumulating and becoming clogged with very large and complex lipids? C. Lysosome option is right one. The liver is involved in detoxification of many poisons and drugs. Which of the following structures is primarily involved in this process and therefore abundant in liver cells? B option is right, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, which of the following contains its own DNA and ribosomes? C is right, mitochondria. Which of the following contains enzymes that transfer hydrogen from various substrates to oxygen? D. Peroxisome is right one. Next, motor proteins provide for molecular motion in cells by interacting with what type of cellular structures? Cytoskeleton. Next, which of the following contains the 9+2 arrangement of microtubules? The option is right, as cilia and flagella. Both A and C contain 9+2 arrangements of microtubules. Which of the following have a microtubular structure similar to a basal body? A option is right, that is centrioles. all. Next, microfilaments are well known for their role in which of the following? Amoeboid movement and formation of cleavage furrow. So D option is right as A and B are correct. The following is thought to participate in the regulation of animal cell behavior, communicating information from the outside to the inside of the cell, and the option C is right, the integrins. Ions can travel directly from the cytoplasm of one animal cell to the cytoplasm of adjacent cell through gap junctions. D option is right. Of the following molecules of ECM, extracellular matrix, to be noted, ECM stands here extracellular matrix, which is capable of transmitting signals between the ECM and the cytoskeleton. Option C, integrins, is right. Which of the following is present in a prokaryotic cell? B option, ribosome, is right. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग सैन लेक्चर्स. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.